house 2 to show you guys. So we're in Los Angeles, California. This one is listed at $2,075,000. So come on in and let's check it out. All the homes on this street, from the Uber driver who knew the area, said have been renovated. And I love it when realtors have these snapshots of the informational sheets. Wow, this is a nice one. This just beautiful pictures of the home. So is there a certain area we should start, or?
Oh man, the world's your oyster.
Okay, perfect. I like that.
On this side, the kitchen's on this side, big open living space here.
So would this an add-on here?
I imagine, not by my.
So right now we're about to step into this separate building, and it's an ADU, and what that is a lot of California properties or are converting in the back for Airbnb, short-term rentals, while they live in the front house. This one has already been renovated and remodeled, so pretty simple, but just perfect for a couple. Or you got the laundry in here. They did a great job on the remodel. Marble countertops, new cabinets. They use the big black handles that we use quite a bit. Same feel for our Arizona properties too. We do light, airy, bright. A lot of California homes have engineered hardwood. This is what this flooring is down here. Engineered hardwood. This here, they did the whites in the shower. So this is called the ADU. Oh, this is great. They have skylights up there, so it really makes it, a lot of lighting comes in through the ceiling, and they put the cam lights up there. So did a good job with this portion. They have the iRobot, which those things are great to clean the floors. Cool area too. They have outdoor seating. You can have a little family dinner out here in the back, and then they did the artificial turf back here. So back here would be if you had young infants, babies, and then back here, closet, nice size closet, and a Jack and Jill shower. You have the other bedroom. Keeps going on. Wow. Spacious. So you have 3 bedrooms over there. So where is the master? The master bedroom?
They use the middle one as the master.
Okay. Pete, with this, is this common in California, the engineer hardwood?
This is real hardwood.
Oh, this is real.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. The builders now are doing a lot of engineered. It's more durable, lasts longer.
And how do the ADUs exactly work?
They look with ours.
So those are used as rentals for a lot of California folks? Is that what they do with that back house?
Some people do, or just in-laws, or.
Okay, because it seems like there's more and more of them nowadays.
Yeah, they're because LA's allowing it, so.
Oh, okay. Because Arizona, certain communities do and others don't. So these are Corian countertops in the kitchen. So that was house number 2, actually in Los Angeles. This one's at $2,075,000. So it's in great shape. We could get in right away. It's already renovated and convert it right into a short-term rental. So let me know what you guys think. Send a message.